I want to make something special for my papa. So Mama, what do you suggest to make?
Papa loves paneer. So let's make paneer tikka today. And Sparsh, you can easily make it.
But Mama, paneer tikka is for snack. What about dinner?
So for dinner, let's order biryani. Papa loves biryani too.
But
Okay.
biryani kahan se?
Biryani means biryani by kilo. So let me order biryani from Biryani by Kilo. Okay.
Mama, is this app Biryani by Kilo's app?
Right, Sparsh? I am ordering directly from the Biryani by Kilo app. This app is actually very convenient to use, and you know what is the best part? You get loyalty points which you can redeem in next order. Okay.
Ooh.
So let me just go through the menu and it's done.
Yes.
So let's move to the recipe, guys. Let's prepare paneer tikka.
So Mama, what is the first step?
So Sparsh, the first step is that we'll prepare marinade for our paneer tikka. For that, we'll take hung curd.
Okay.
So here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of hung curd. So Sparsh, would you like to whisk it?
Sure.
I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of gram flour, which is besan. Now we'll add spices. So Sparsh, this is Ajwain or Carom seeds. We'll be adding half a teaspoon of Carom seeds. We are adding half a teaspoon of colored red chilli powder. This is not spicy, this will give a nice color. So Sparsh, next we'll add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is dried fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi. So here we have also added half a teaspoon of ginger. Add coriander powder. Sparsh, next we are adding half a teaspoon of Amchur powder or the dry mango powder. This really gives a nice taste and flavor.
Now we will add salt as per taste. Now we are adding a little bit of chaat masala. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder.
So Sparsh, we are done with all the spices. Next we'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and you need to again blend everything together.
Done.
Okay Sparsh, next we'll squeeze in half lemon juice. Just mix it well. That's about it.
Okay.
So Sparsh, our marinade is ready. Now what you have to do is
Add paneer.
yes, just add the paneer cubes in the marinade.
I just love paneer.
So while you have added it, I'll coat it well so that it's completely coated with the marinade which you have prepared. And next,
Vegetables.
yes, you can add all the veggies. So what all we have here?
We've got tomatoes. Now we've got capsicums.
And
Finally, onions.
so now we just need to coat everything well with the marinade. So you can easily do it, and actually this is a very simple kids friendly recipe. Kids can easily prepare it, right Sparsh?
Absolutely.
And now what are we gonna do? We'll just simply cover this and we'll keep it in refrigerator for 2 hours. Okay?
Okay.
So Sparsh, it's been 2 hours now, and now it's time to thread the paneer and vegetables. So I have these skewers with me, and what you will do is you will take a piece of tomato.
Okay.
Here it goes. Capsicum. And we'll take onion, and then we'll take a piece of paneer. So this is how you have to now repeat the pattern.
Okay.
Easy?
Yeah. Red, green, pink, paneer.
Absolutely. So this is how one stick will look like. So Sparsh, you will thread the other one.
Sure, Mama. Yay! It's done.
Our paneer tikka is ready to go in air fryer. You can either grill it in convection microwave or an oven, but I'll be grilling my paneer tikka in air fryer. So for this I have already preheated my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. We'll place a parchment paper at the base to avoid getting tikka stick to the base, and we'll place all the sticks inside. Now we'll air fry the paneer tikka at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes first. In between, one can also open the air fryer and then grease it with little oil so that we get a nice sheen onto the paneer tikka pieces. Sparsh, are you ready?
Yay! Let's see. Wow!
Friends, just look at this. The tikka has come out so well. If you want further charred effect, then you can continue air frying for another 2 to 3 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, this is perfect. Do not overdo it, otherwise the paneer will get stiff. It's time to serve it.
So we'll serve paneer tikka with green chutney, some onions, a lemon wedge, and now for the paneer tikka. My paneer tikka platter is ready to serve.
Amazing, Sparsh.
Thank you. I hope Papa likes this.
Sparsh, our order is here. Let me get it. Okay, thank you so much.
मम्मा आपने क्या क्या मंगवाया है?
So, let's open it.
Yes.
Sparsh, this is the complete spread today. So all this we are having for dinner. Okay, so first we have got 3 handis and we have to light up all the handis. Now we just place the earthen pot like this.
Wow.
And we have to wait for now approximately 5 to 8 minutes. Okay. By the time our biryani is getting heated up, let's open and see what is there in this platter box. Wow. It's looking so tempting. You know guys, the best part about Biryani by Kilo is that all the biryanis are freshly prepared once they get the order. They seal it from their end, and after that, once you have to eat it, you have to just keep this chula at the bottom, heat it for 5 to 8 minutes, and you get fresh biryani out of this earthenware pot. Exciting, Sparsh? When you order biryani from Biryani by Kilo app, then you get 200 rupees off on your first order. Isn't that exciting? Awesome biryani. Thank you so much, Biryani by Kilo. Amazing, super awesome biryani. Father's Day spent well. Friends, do try our Paneer Tikka recipe. If you like watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.